Okay, kids, I'm just going to quickly pull up a chart, drop an order in, etc. And then I'm just going to play it out, but I'll tell you what the trade is after I've done it. Simply because I need to write something up for the guys in the Discord. But basically, I'm looking to buy this particular market into this red zone from around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the order is going to be about there. Let me just drop that in just so that I can get it set. Because it's about ready to rock. Now, I have put the video up already for the guys. Now, this is a 6 pip trade. And the more I can get into it down, the better. But where I'm looking to go to is into this red zone here. Basically breaking this. Now, I don't want it to leave this trading arena. So it can come down and then go back up. But I'm going to follow the price down. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on the speedy because, like I say, I've already put it in here. It's just gone into market now. So the markup's already done. And I've been tracking it, as you can see, all morning to get to this point. It's been a bit of a bitch of a trade, to be honest. But if I flick this over, there it is there. So you can see it's buy across. It is extended because it's been a bit horrid, but I'll explain that a bit later. And we're looking for 6 pips based on its ATR. Okay, so that's where all that's come from. So let me just play it out. I'll speed it up so you're not sitting through it. And then I'll explain it. Okay, boys and girls, I've done the write-up, so I'm coming back to this, and I'll kind of talk you through it while it's playing, because you never know, it might fire up as we're talking. Now, at 1 o'clock, I work hour to hour, so I've been tracking this since this morning, and each top of the hour, it hasn't been ready to give me anything. So the sensible thing to do is, if in doubt, stay out. It's that simple. Now, a lot of people don't get that. They just think, well, I'm here. Where's my trade? Just because you're ready doesn't mean to say the markets are ready. So you've got to be careful. And this is one of my biggest strengths. I can just sit and wait for the right opportunity. Now, what that does for me is it gives me the ability to just sit back and enjoy what's going on. And that's what's happening here. But let's just break this down a little bit further. So we know we're working on this arena here, between these 2 points of attraction. I've targeted so that it's going to bounce off its swing point, which that swing point is here. You see that there. Now that target also takes in this and this. So all 3 of them are prime places for this market to test. Now, whenever you look at a market, it goes up and down all the time. Even if you're in a buying market, which this is, pushes up, it will come back. Pushes up, it will come back. You've got to look at the big picture, because if we looked this on a minute chart, that looks identical if you take the time frame off. But you can't really read it because, look, it's actually telling you it's going the other way in a sense that all of these reds are in, but the actual people that are going to push this are buyers. So really, if you're down on a minute chart trying to get direction and sentiment, good luck. You know, you're basically reading noise. Now, you've heard me talk about the tide before, and the tide will always win. What you're looking at here is the shoreline. Now, the shoreline will move backwards and forwards like this, regardless of what the tide is. But it won't beat the tide. If the tide is coming in, it will eventually come up the beach. And if the tide's going out, obviously it'll run away. You can't see that here. But you can see it here. Because there it is there. It's moving. Now you can see it even bigger here. Now there's a number of elements that we're looking at. So what we're looking at is this, and this. Okay. So we've got that move, which came down, didn't make a new low. It's got higher lows all the way up. So it's pushing up. Now, if it didn't make a new low against that market, it's more chance it'll make a new high, or at least try and get to the high. Why? Because it's sitting above the 50% at this point. Now we move into this move and see if there's any correlation. Well, put that there, move that down, run that across. Yes, it's holding above the 50. It's come down, it's bounced off key areas, because the way these operate is downward move, break the 23, we'll test the 38 and then go to the pivot, which is the 50. Now there's your 50 there, moving up into the higher ground where it's getting above, and its next point will be the 161 or the 61.8 rather, which is here. It's breaking through that, so it'll try and get to the 76. So that's the upper goal. But look what's in front of it. You've got key areas. So not only have you got swing points, you've also got levels that are key and dominant. So bring it back down into 15 minutes. What can we see now? Well, it's doing the same thing on a 15-minute chart. So what's the answer? Buy it. Just buy it. But don't be greedy, because you know it's only going to go to there. If the dominance is buy, stick with the buy, and don't be worried about the market going against you in the short term. It's not a major issue. Take it down into 5 minutes, rolls up, rolls down, then goes back up. Why? Because that's what it does all the time. Dead simple. Think about flying a kite. You don't run with the wind when you're flying a kite. You're running into the wind, so the kite will fly up, then you go with it. That's the principle of DCA. So that's the trade. We'll play it out and we'll see if we're right, and then hopefully it will help the guys. Okay, kids, so trade is complete. It didn't pull back any further to get another entry in, so we just close off for the hour. And let's have a quick look. Just make certain I've got my tickets off. I do. And there you go. So there's the 6 pips that we're after for the US JPY. Been working on Euro JPY from this morning. That's finished off as well. So what's the moral of the story? Homework. It's always do your fucking homework. And if you can't do your homework, you're wasting your time. And you can't just look at a single time frame. You've got to look at them all. Start at the top, work to the bottom, get a narrative through them, and then go with that narrative. And then all you have to do is sit and be patient for the right time to go to market. Now, when you're down on the minute charts, etc., as I was showing, they tell you nothing. That is for the land of the fucking gambler. Oh, because you can't do a 3-candle principle on it. You can't see any patterns on it because it's just complete noise. The indicators are a complete waste of time. So what's the solution? Look at something that will tell you. You know, if you want to fix a car, you get a Haynes manual. It's very in-depth, does a lot. You don't get the Mr. Men books with Mr. Fix-It and Mr. Bump. But then again, maybe you do. You want the job? Do the work. It's that simple. So as always, guys, very easy found. Drop in the description. You'll see my contact details. Drop on the website. You see what I'm all about, and there's various offers. You get 5% off the fivers, and there is an opportunity for you to get the trading modules I use for free through BlackBull. All the links are there. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in, and also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through. £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader, and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.